For me, a healthy home is a place where I can have nice sightlines and a lot of light comes in.
I was actually attracted to this competition because it was based on healthy homes. And it is something that we really don't talk about yet.
When we started this new competition, we were thinking about a design approach that was really based on the key aspects that are today fundamental in development of a modern building.
More or less the whole idea, the concept about the competition started at VELUX days in Paris in 2019. Students have an ability to bring energy and a vibe that sometimes the older engineers, they might have lost it some years ago.
I thought that was very exciting to see how does a competition shape out when the indoor comfort is the most important part.
The approach of the young designer was fantastic because they was really able to catch the target and the objective of this young competition. I was really surprised about the modern approach that they expressed, because they were able, through a very modern way of thinking and analyzing the evolution of the building sector, to put together different sensibility.
I mean, it's amazing how different all these design ideas are. We have so many approaches, it's quite unbelievable.
I was very amazed by the quality of all the projects, and you could really see that a lot of the students had put their hearts and souls into the projects and really tried their best to make the healthy homes of tomorrow.
Every group has another way to go through the competition.
Obviously, our project is just the end point of so many decisions we made.
During the presentation, the students were able to fully express this multidisciplinary challenge.
One of the main interesting things to gain from this experience is probably that we all have to reconsider so many things and so many professions. We're not only architects, we're also engineers, we're sustainable managers, everything has to come together and to build a synergy among these professions.
I thought that was actually quite fun to have a project rooted in reality instead of something fictional. I thought it was extremely interesting and a great way to enhance the quality of your learning.
I think it's a great opportunity to meet the other students.
That was a really enriching experience because actually I realized that's the only way. So we cannot live without the architect's creativity, pure creativity, but neither without the engineer's calculations in that sense.
I think what I learned a lot about this project is for how to make it all work together, because that's a very difficult thing in this, the architecture and the engineering part, and how you can actually make it work together.
We found a great group of jury members that represent a very wide group of experts. I really think we got a diverse group, but also still a homogeneous group that really want to work for the better future for all of us.
When we set up the jury, we thought a lot inside REHVA, because it was also an evolution in our idea to enlarge our family, bringing together skills and competencies from different sectors. In this specific situation, we were able at the end to try to put together the different sensibility and to have a final judgment that was really homogeneous. When our federation is able to define together with our industrial partner some key project, we really create an added value.
So bringing in students and getting inspired from their energy is really one of the things that we believe will bring us forward in the world. And we really believe that activities like the Healthy Home Design Competition that we're doing together with REHVA is one of the ways to do it.
Thanks to VELUX, we were able to get also the sensibility about what is the focus of our industrial partners, and also to emphasize which are the aspects that are ready for the market and that we can transfer from our conceptual ideas of developing building into technology and into technological transfer.
We really like the collaboration with the REHVA organization.
But I think it was a nice competition, and I would really recommend people actually joining, because I kind of also think it's nice to join a competition without any like professional architectural firms in it. Because I think it's a nice way for us students to actually shine, and I think I hope for some more competition.
I think everyone should take part as long as this is something that they're dealing with either in a professional way or in their student course or alongside their studies. It's very interesting, and I guess you can all learn a lot from it.
So thanks a lot to VELUX, because it was an incredible partner from the very beginning.
And what was the biggest challenge for you?
Personally or as a group? For me, to deal with my colleagues. No.